Hey guys, welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating some headlight restoration on a 2013 Mazda 2. I'm going to be using this Turtle Wax headlight lens restore. If anybody knows anything about these, they're pretty nice little kits. They come with everything you need to pretty much wet sand the headlights without having to get too crazy. It comes with all the sanding discs and the solution to use, and also comes with some polish and some sealant. So it's pretty much a nice little kit. I think this one was $12 at AutoZone, and you probably could get it at Amazon if you don't want to leave the house. So you can find them pretty much anywhere. And they do look different from time to time. This one, the picture on this one was different than I've had a couple of these kits, and the pictures are different just depending on what version of the kit you get, but I think they all pretty much carry the same components. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how this one works. This one has 2 discs, and they're numbered 1 through 4 on each side. So one disc will be 1 and 2, and the other disc is 3 and 4, and you'll go in sequence 1 minute per side of the disc, and you'll oppose the direction. So in other words, if you start with 1 going vertically, you'll move to 2 and go horizontal, then you'll move to 3 and go vertical, and you'll move to 4 and go horizontal. So you should see that in the demonstration of the video. I'll try to put that information inside the video so that it makes sense. And so let's get started. So the first step I like to take is always to clean the surface. I've got some diluted rinseless wash here and a microfiber towel, and I'm just going to spray this headlight down a little bit. Just go wiping it, cleaning it. I like to make sure the hood is up so that I've got room at the top edge of the light and I'm not hitting a painted surface with anything. Sometimes you may tape off the bottom edge, but in this case I'm going by hand. So I'm going to just try to be real careful and not hit anything. The first step it tells you is to actually use this polish, this compound, and go through this headlight with that and just see what kind of result that gets you. So I'm going to do that. Get you some on a microfiber towel. Start going to work on this headlight. Doing straight lines or circular motions, it doesn't really matter. Go back through with the microfiber and remove it. So that is quite a nice improvement, but because this light has got that yellowing, I'm going to go through with the remaining steps. And so you got these sanding discs. Here's number 1. It's got number 2 on the back. Here's 3 and 4. Here's your solution. And you want to spray it liberally. I'm going to start and go horizontal. Supposed to go for 1 minute. You can see that it's taking off. I think they call this slurry in some cases. See it coming off, and that's basically the worn down coating. That's about a minute. We'll flip sides, go to number 2, and now I'm going to go vertical. Because this buildup is getting on here so much, I'm going to go ahead, that's going to be my stopping on number 2, and I'm going to wipe some of this off. So that's going to be the end of this video. I had some audio issues, so that's why you get to listen to classical music. I'm going to show a before and after, and I hope this video was helpful. And if you like the video, please hit that like button. Please subscribe. I got more detailing videos to come. And so appreciate you guys watching, and see you on the next one. Thanks so much. See you.